Hello viewer. In this video we will see what is Kubernetes namespace and its utilities. Please subscribe to motivate us for more content on Kubernetes technology. In Kubernetes, a namespace is a way to divide cluster resources between multiple users via resource quota, teams, or applications. It serves as a virtual cluster within a physical cluster. By using namespaces, you can create separate environments, isolate resources, and organize objects within a Kubernetes cluster. Here are some key aspects and utilities of Kubernetes namespaces. Isolation: namespaces provide a way to isolate resources within a cluster. Objects, such as pods, services, and replication controllers, within a namespace are scoped to that namespace and cannot directly interact with objects in other namespaces. Resource quotas: resource quotas can be applied to namespaces, limiting the amount of CPU, memory, and other resources that can be consumed by the objects within the namespace. This helps prevent one application or team from monopolizing resources and affecting others. Network isolation: each namespace has its own set of network policies, allowing you to control the communication between pods in different namespaces. This enhances security by preventing unwanted access between different components. Object naming: objects within a namespace must have unique names only within that namespace. This allows you to use the same names for different objects in different namespaces. Multi-tenancy: namespaces are commonly used in multi-tenant environments where multiple teams or applications share a Kubernetes cluster. Each team or application can have its own namespace, ensuring that they have their own isolated space to deploy and manage resources. kubectl context: when working with a Kubernetes cluster, you can switch between different namespaces using kubectl. The kubectl config set context command is used to set the current context, which includes the namespace you want to work within. Default namespace: if you don't specify a namespace, Kubernetes uses the default namespace. It's important to be mindful of the namespace context to avoid unintended consequences. Monitoring and resource management: namespaces can be used for monitoring and resource management. Metrics and monitoring tools can be applied to specific namespaces, allowing you to track resource usage and performance on a per-namespace basis. Overall, namespaces in Kubernetes are a powerful tool for organizing, isolating, and managing resources within a cluster, particularly in scenarios where multiple teams or applications share the same Kubernetes infrastructure. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to motivate us for more content on Kubernetes technology.